Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of a new series on the channel, the San Ildefonso, that Ocre was nice enough to offer me for assembly. I am unboxing it and we can see the contents of the box. As usual, the metal parts and a few of the special wooden bits come in a plastic container. The instruction book, as usual, pictures, very detailed instructions. On another book, there's text instructions to help in case of any doubt. A color chart for the paints. This is a brochure for the new acrylic colors, acrylic paints. Some more brochures of other Ocre products. The digging plans. The text instructions. Now for the laser cut pieces. Everything seems okay, everything seems of nice quality as usual with kits from Ocre. These are the sales. If you've seen me doing the Santísima Trinidad and the Santísima Trinidad cross section, I think I mentioned that the Santísima Trinidad cross section sails are a bit thinner and I prefer them. These sails are like those ones, they're not as thick as the ones on the Santísima Trinidad. On this bag we have all the ropes and a few pieces. These are metal pieces, I think. More laser cut parts. Brass parts, mostly windows for the stern galleries. More laser cut pieces. The stern piece in brass. More stern, and then the lifeboats. And now all the wood in strips. These are sapelli, 2x5. These are dowels. Another set of dowels and some pieces of larger wood. The ramin strips, some sapelli, some walnut, different sizes. Everything is in order, everything looks okay. I'm gonna have a look now since Ocre also sent the base and the paints and also the stains. So yellow, blue, gold, white, off-white, red, black are the colors needed for this ship. The stains are sapelli, walnut, and oak. And during the assembly, I will test these things. As you all know, I tend to weather my ships. I think I will have to darken a bit these colors to suit better the weathered look, but we'll see as it goes and decide along the way. Before starting to assemble, I number the pieces. I don't do it for every single piece, but the pieces that are on these sheets, 5mm sheets, all the ribs, everything that is the structure, to make sure that everything goes in the right place. I usually number it. And I'm ready to start assembling. I use a hobby knife or a scalpel to cut the pieces from the sheet. Then I'm sure to sand or to file the excess of the tabs that remains on the piece, and I start the assembly. I always make sure that I assemble the pieces that make the keel on a flat surface, make sure that everything will be as flat as possible. If there's any warp to the pieces, I then put weights on it. In this case, there's no warp. So as long as I do it on a flat surface, everything should be okay. So I put them together and I use the pieces that are the reinforcements to secure them. I use white glue at this stage. Moving on to the ribs, I apply some glue where it will intersect with the false keel. Then I put it in place. I make sure it goes all the way down. I make sure that it's squared, and I repeat the process for all of them. with the reinforcements ran through the ribs, but before gluing it, I make sure that everything is squared, and only after I will put glue around the reinforcements and glue it to the ribs. This process is then repeated for the ribs that go for the stern. This is it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I hope everyone sticks around for the rest of the series. For sure it will be quite some time and a few videos. I hope to catch you all on the next one. Leave a like, leave a comment. Please consider subscribing to Model Ship's channel.